Today, I'm very excited to present my research work entitled as Special Component Analytics in Digital Agriculture. First of all, I am today I'm a PhD student at the High School of Computer Science and Technology. And before we dive into the intricacies of digital agriculture and the impact of the application, and before we dive into the special component analytics and their application in digital agriculture, I will show some concepts or explain some concepts related to this research project. First of all, we will explain digital agriculture. The digital agriculture in the easy word, I will explain it with the combination of technologies, with different technologies like IoT and GPS and other technology within the agriculture. And the other term is big data analytics. The big data analytics is the science of studying large amount or handling large amount of data to gain or to extract insight from this kind of data. And we move to the third term, is spatial component data. This data is another kind of data, or it's the new base data that described with two factors, spatial and temporal. I will, in this second part, I will explain, I will elaborate some current challenges in the digital, in the data related to digital agriculture. First of all, the most important problem in this kind of data is data quality, or in general, in any type of data, we need to get to ensure the accuracy or the quality of this data. And the data security, we don't know where is the source of data, or we don't know that this data can be sensitive, or we can't share this data with any others. That's a problem. We need to solve this. And the third part is spatial component dependency. Agricultural data often come from many sources, and these sources have strong dependencies to spatial and temporal attributes. And we need to deal with this data specific analytics techniques. If we talk about data, or about digital, about data, big data, if we talk about data, in these days we can describe it not data, it's big data. And we can know that this data is a type of big data with this 5 features. First one is the amount of data, is the volume, and the speed of the data that coming from many sources, or the speed of data in general is, we can name it velocity, and velocity is the accuracy or the integrity of this data. And because of this data comes from many sources, we can define it because of data, this data comes from many sources can be described as variety. And the value extracted from this data or insights, name it, this is the value. The 5B is the concept, the key concept of the big data. The impact of data analytics in digital agriculture. In this part, I will show you some of practices and some of the use of data analytics in digital agriculture. First of all, the first one is crop monitoring and management. We can use this data analytics to help farmers to detect the weeds and the pests from the crop year, and for the soil management system and irrigation management. And for another part, the livestock management can help this data, can help this data analytics can help the farmer to monitor the health of animals that have, and we can help him to manage the field that, or the food that can be given to their animals. And the third part is the weather and climate analysis. For this part, I will show the many data sources or the data sources that can help for this analytics. It's smart farming related data. Like we see, there's many sources of the data that we can use. This kind of data have many attributes, and this can and need a big system to manage this kind of data. And this one, for the proposed approach, I started to build a data warehouse system that can get many used to stock and work with this data or deal with this data. There's many sources to get this data, like Algerian Space Agency and Food and Agriculture Organization. Like we see, it's the process of the data warehouse or data analytics. This is our system management system. Thank you.